Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to drop testing the Samsung Galaxy S Continuum, I think it is. It is on Verizon. It's got like two dual little screens. Sadly, this one does not work. That's why we're drop testing it. So, from waist height, let's go and do the backdrop. In 3, 2, 1. Now, most of this thing is plastic, as most of Samsung from this era was. Got some marks up here, a few down here probably. I think the camera lens is plastic as well, so not expecting too much damage from that. Going to do the corner drop. In 3, 2, 1. Hit pretty close to the bottom on that one. Looks like the back cover came off. Hit pretty much right down here. Maybe got a little intrusive towards the glass right there, but didn't make it. So screen is still good. And let's see if we can do the face down drop test now. In 3, 2, 1. From that drop, I want to say it shattered. So far, no phone. The two we tested, the iPod and the Droid Razr M, has made it. So, looky there. It has actually done it. So, it's not without damage, though. It's a pretty good chip right there. That's pretty much it so far. And this is not like a smooth concrete or anything like that, or asphalt. This is rough. So, looks like the back cover is now broken because it does not want to stay clipped on. So, there we go. Backdrop from head height in 3, 2, 1. I figured the back cover came off. You see there's some damage right there on that top corner for sure. Right up here. That looks to be pretty much about it. Screen is still good. Alright. Let's go ahead and try for the corner drop. In 3, 2, 1. Back cover flew over here. And the battery that came out this time around. Now, I couldn't really tell what corner that hit, to be honest. But let's see if I can see any damage. The screen is not cracked still. Maybe up here. Oh, definitely down here. That's where it hit. The screen is still not broken. Can it be the survivor and make the face down drop test from head height? In 3, 2, 1. So the back cover came off. And it did not crack again. See a hit right here. Maybe it wasn't a very face down, so we're going to redo it just to make sure. In 3, 2, 1. In the slow motion, but that one looked pretty dead on the screen. And it cracked a little bit. Okay. So that one sounded like it was pretty dead on. So let's get a hit right in this area. Start it up. You barely really tell it's there. It is a little sharp right here in the center, but up here you really don't feel it. So we're going to throw it in the air one time and move on to the next one. 3, 2, 1. That sounded terrible. All right. That looks to have landed on the back. Oh, whoops. By the marks on the back cover. Look at that. There's a hole in it pretty much. Down here. So as you can tell. And then the screen cracked a little bit more because it's already been in a weakened state. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.